Hello everyone, welcome to today's class. Today we are going to deal with chapter 5 Python variables and operators. Today's topic delimiters. Python uses the symbols and symbol combinations as delimiters in expressions, directories, and strings. These are the delimiters used in Python. When we write an expression in Python, we use these symbols in the expression in order to show a string or in order to express the directories. Literals. Literal is a raw data given in a variable or constant. In Python, there are various types of literals: numeric, string, and boolean. Literals are nothing but the data given in a variable or a constant. So let us study it in detail. Numeric literals. Numeric literals consist of digits and are immutable. Numeric literals belong to three different numerical types: integer, float, and complex. So we know what is an integer. It's a whole number. 1, 2, 3, 4. Such numbers are known as integers. What's a float number or a floating point number? It's a decimal point number. 3.5, 4.5, 4.10. So such numbers are known as floating point constants or literals. Complex numbers, which consist of power values, exponential values. It consists of a integer part, a floating point part or a fractional part, and an exponent part. String literals. In Python, a string literal is a sequence of characters surrounded by quotes. Python supports single, double, and triple quotes for a string. A character literal is a single character surrounded by a single or double quote. The value with triple quote is used to give multiple line string. So, what is a string literal? A character which is surrounded by a single or a double quote is known as a string literal. If you want to give multiple line of strings, you can use triple quote in Python. The third one is boolean literals. A boolean literal can have two values, true or false. You can have or you can write the expression to get a value as true or false in boolean literals. Escape sequence. In Python strings, the backslash is a special character, also called as the escape character. It is used in representing certain white space characters like /t is tab, /n is new line, /r is a garage return. So for example, it's raining. So we have to type it as, or we have to get the output as it apostrophe yes raining. So for that you can see the command given as print double quotes it slash single quote is raining double quotes. So what we are given in double quotes, within that we can see a slash apostrophe single quote. So in order to get it like it's raining, you have to type it like this. So escape sequence are characters which are prefixed with a backslash. So here are some escape sequence characters, their description, example, and the output. So double slash, you will get a slash along with the output. Slash single quote will give you a single quote there. Slash double quote will give you double quotes as the output. Slash n gives you with a new line, provide you with a new line. Slash t provide with you with a tab space. Python data types. All data values in Python are objects, and each object or value has type. Python has built-in or fundamental data types such as number, string, boolean, tuples, list, and directories. First, let us see about number data type. What is a data type? What is the use of a data type? Data type is mainly used to categorize the data what we input into the program. So here in Python we have 6 different types of categorizing the data: number, string, boolean, tuples, lists, and directories. Let us see about numeric data type. The built-in number objects in Python supports integers, floating point numbers, and complex numbers. Integer data type can be decimal, octal, or hexadecimal. Octal integer use capital letter O, both uppercase and lowercase, to denote the octal digits, and hexadecimal integers use OX to denote the hexadecimal integer. And if it is a long integer, it is denoted by L. So here are some examples: 102, 4567, 567. So all these are decimal integers. There's no floating point numbers, or it's not an octal number, or it's not a hexadecimal number. So there is no prefix with that. So here in the second example, 0102, 0876, 0432 all indicate it is a octal integer. OX 102, OX 876, OX 432 denotes it as hexadecimal integers. 34L, 523L all denote that it's a long decimal integer. What's a floating point data? A floating point data is represented by a sequence of decimal digits that include a decimal point. An exponent data contains decimal digit part, decimal point, exponent part, followed by one or more digits. So here are the example: 123.34, 456.23, 156.23. All these are floating point data. Exponent data: 12.E04, 24.E04. E always represents an exponent data. Always a complex number is made up of two floating point values, one each for the real and imaginary part, the integer part and a decimal part. Boolean data type. A Boolean data can have any of the two values, that is true or false. Whenever we enter a Boolean data type, we will be getting either true or false. String data type. String data can be enclosed within single quotes or double quotes or triple quotes. Already we have seen about what is a string literal. A string literal is a character which is enclosed within single, double or triple quotes. A single character is enclosed within single quotes. Multiple characters are enclosed within double quotes, and multiple strings are enclosed within triple quotes. So these are the three types of data which are available in Python: numeric data type, boolean data type, and string data type. So thank you, students. Hope you all understood the class. Stay home, stay safe. Have a nice day. Thank you.